Hello, boys and girls, and some who are not boys and girls. Uh, my name is Odie Hawkins. I am Teacher Zola's husband. I am Teacher Odie. And what we're about to do here today is sort of experimental. It has to do with people who may be uh, incapacitated or unable to use their lower limbs. And Teacher Zola is going to show possibilities that may be available to you by having someone learn Tai Chi or someone who knows Yang 24 who will be able to push you around in your wheelchair to allow you to participate in Tai Chi to the extent that you can. And here we go.
Most definitely. Hello there, boys and girls. We're going to do this, and as Teacher Odie said, it's just a bit of an experiment. And so if you have somebody who's strong who can push you or help you with your wheelchair, to help you have the sense of the movement as well as using your arms, that would be fun, wouldn't it? All right, so if you're in a wheelchair or you have a walker that has a seat, let's do it. All right, sit here. Okay, put my feet up. All right, and so for the beginning move, my arms are down to the side. I raise my arms, put them down. Okay, so I'm just going up and down. And I turn a little to the left. I grab the top of the ball, the bottom of the ball, don't move yet. Then I do party while horses may. I turn a little bit more, and I'm going to the right this time. I turn to the right, party while horses may. And so this last time, party while horses may, I just turn a little to the left. I do a ball, make a ball, for white crane spreads its wings. I block to the left, stay in the same place, I block to the right, and then brush knee twist step. Going forward, hitting the center, I come back, both hands are now on the left. I move forward with the right hand, and I hit in the center with the left. Then both hands go up to the right. I go across my legs with the left hand, push with the right. Then I do strum the loop, like that. Then repulse monkey, right hand goes back, then right hand goes forward, left hand goes back, turn the right hand, left hand goes forward, right hand goes back, forward, left hand goes back, right, left hand goes forward, then I reach over, and I grab the ball, I'm facing more you, and then I just go to my left, grasp the bird's tail, I bring it down, I circle, I go again to my left, turn to my left, it's not moving to my left, and I push, and I push. Then I roll to the right. Remember, this is an experiment. I'm going to my right, I'm not moving to my right, I just move my arms to my right. I pull the ball down, I push, and I clear, and I push. Then I'm facing the front, single whip, left shoulder back, right shoulder back, pull out, and over to the left as my hand goes. Then I do wave hands. Left hand comes down, left hand comes up. And it goes to the right, hand goes up, left hand, left hand, and then single whip. Left shoulder back, right shoulder back, bam! And over to the side. Okay. I do high pat on horse. I'm not avoiding the sweep. But then the hands cross, sort of like when you do fan back. Hands cross, the right hand above in front of the front, the right arm in front of the front, left leg, left hand, and you do a right heel kick. You come down with the right and you hit opponent's ears with both fists. You open your hands and you turn around to the left. This time you're going to be left hand is an arm is above the right arm. These arms come out, and you would be doing a left heel kick. Then you grab the branch and you do snake creeps through the grass. Okay? And it comes back, and then you come up the rooster stand. Then you go over in front, and you grab the branch, and you do snake creeps through the grass again. And you shift back, and you're standing on your left leg?
Yes.
Left leg?
Mm-hmm.
How can you be on your left leg? You have to be on your right leg. Left leg? No, you have to be on your right leg.
Do it.
And you go over to Gray Lady work shuttles.
And then right.
Right. And then you go Gray Lady work shuttles. Oh no. It's right Gray Lady left shuttle. Then left Gray Lady work shuttles. Yo. Then it's needle at the bottom of the seat. Stand back. Turn. Carry. And punch. And clear. And push. And then you face the front. And gather your chi. Comes out and down. All right? So got a little confused there when we were doing the snake creeps through the grass. But say, again, if we were just to show, okay, if a snake creeps through the grass and you're facing this way, it is stepping out, come back, and then it's right, step over to the left, and then it's Gray Lady shuttles to the right first, ball, then Gray Lady shuttles to the left, and then needle at the bottom of the C, and fan back. Now, one thing that Teacher Odie showed me that I had forgotten about, or I really hadn't paid attention, is that when you do fan back, it's the same as, or almost the same, as when you do your right heel kick, or when you do your left heel kick. The hands go out like that, come up and go out like that. Now,
may I add this? Yeah, one of the things that you see is that when you become accustomed to doing things in a certain way, if you make an effort to do those things from a different kind of stance or from different circumstances,
right,
you have to adapt and adjust it. So we found out something, right?
right now, definitely. The experiment, okay? First day of the experiment. And again, right while I'm sitting here, I'm just going to go through the first three, okay?
First four.
First four, okay. So the first four, whoa, rolling around. Okay, it's all good. Like I said, our arms, hands are down by our sides. Our arms come up, and you see that my hands are down. So it's like it said, leading with your wrists. Leading with your wrists. So the arms come up, shoulder roll, arms come down, hands come down, and then you kind of turn a little bit, reach over, grab the top of the ball, bottom of the ball, bring it in. Then it's a turning a little to the left. As the left hand goes up, the right hand goes down. Got the ball, and we're going to go to the right. The right hand goes up, left hand goes down. Then we make another ball, and left hand goes up, the right hand goes down. And then that was the first moves. Then there's a ball. For white crane spreads its wings. Third motion, block to the left, block to the right, and rush knee twist step. Both hands are now on the left. Rush knee twist step to the right. Both hands are on the right. And rush knee twist step to the right. So if you have someone who's willing to push you around,
who has to know the form, the first thing that you have to do is get someone who knows the movements of the form. We do not have it perfectly because this is the first time we've done this. This is the very first time. So,
yes.
And in addition to that, the ground here is a bit rough, but it makes for a challenge.
And we hope you enjoyed it. We hope you had fun. All right? So the first day of Tai Chi in a chair. See you later. I'm going to go get something to eat. Bye.